Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it usually opens up in the shopping menu where we can browse and look at different kinds of clothes and accessories. We have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner there is a person icon which we have to tap, and here in the overview sections we find app settings. If we tap on app settings, then this menu is going to open up. Here in the top there is a notifications button. We tap on this, and then this is going to take us to the phone settings app, and here at the top, if we tap on allow notifications, this is going to be turned off, and then the Zalando app won't be able to send us notifications about different things. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.